Hey loves, in today's video I will be showing you how I created this orange and green makeup look using some new products from my latest Shop Miss A haul. I am blending the Amuse Smoky Eyes Single Shadow in the shade Paprika directly into and slightly above the crease of my eye with my Coastal Scents Detailed Pointed Crease Brush. This shadow is available on the Shop Miss A website for $1, but it is not a part of my most recent haul. The first item in my haul is the AOA Studio Loose Pigment in the shade Magic, and it was $1. Magic is a beautiful champagne color, and I am placing it all over my lid with my Nicka round eyeshadow brush. Now with my Ruby Kisses C-Curve eyeshadow brush, I am highlighting my brow bone with another loose pigment in the shade Orb. It is an icy white. The best way to apply these pigments is to gently pat them into place, and it also helps if you wet your brush. That will minimize fallout. This Orb pigment is so pretty and blinding. I love it. I did my winged liner with the Ruby Kisses Liquid Genius Liner in Green Emerald, and I am wearing the Miss 3D Makeup Soft Lashes in style 51. I am bringing that Amuse shadow down to my lower lash line with my Energy 111. On my waterline, I'm using the NYX Epic Wear Liner Stick in the shade Emerald Cut. I figured incorporating different shades of the color green would add dimension to this look. For my inner corner highlight, I am taking that Orb pigment powder and applying it with the BH Cosmetics V9. The next product I'm trying is the Paw Paw Plush Blush Gel Liquid Blush in Alto, and it is $1.55. Alto is a bright reddish orange. I am blending it out with my Ione blush brush that I have also recently hauled from the 99-cent store. Despite this blush being as pigmented as it does blend out to a nice subtle glow, and it is very buildable. I am applying the LA Colors Shine Bright Highlighter using the Energy 110. I am moisturizing my lips with the Gina Beauty Moisturizing Strawberry Scented Lip Mask that I purchased from Rainbow for $3. The last product that I will be reviewing is the AOA Fly With Me Lip Crayon in the shade Utopia. It is a gorgeous deep coral, and it was $1.55. This product has rich pigment and a thin, balmy texture that glides over the lips. I really enjoyed creating this makeup look with the overall orange theme and the various shades of green as well, and I enjoyed using my new products from AOA. My favorites being their loose pigments and the plush blush. I do like the Fly With Me lip crayon as well. Check the description for all of the products that I used. Leave me a comment below telling me what you think of today's video, and until next time, bye loves!